Hi guys, good evening, good day. So let's continue with our demonstration with regards to CodeIgniter. So yeah, so since we've already installed CI into our local setup, to our local host. So what we're going to do now is to set up as a configuration basically with the CodeIgniter. So now let's go back to our Sublime. So this is our, so namely we have the views for welcome message, which we've done already with this. So now let's do this configuration. So let's go to config folder under application, then config, then config.php. So let's set up our base URL. So basically this would be this one. Just copy and paste it there. Then index page is index.php. So this literally means we can have this one like that one. So it's just the same. Then so let's change it later on then. So the most important thing is this one. Yeah, that's it. Then let's go to our routes. So you could remember our default controller is welcome. So that's why our index file is welcome. Later on we can change this one like to home, but we should have a home file near. So let's say PHP. So let's just copy this one. Page. So when we go back to this, we don't have yet the controllers. So we should set for our controller also. So for PHP, and just copy. First. Then have here home. Then just paste this one with the name of our views. So what's the name of our views? So it's home.php. So let's try it. That's it. Home. So now since we're doing a basic CRUD function or create, read, update, delete, so aside from the routes, which is basically to home, we'll configure also with our database. So we have here a list of configuration for our database. So host name is localhost, so we just leave it here at is. So username is root. So by default, PHP admin username password is root, and the password is just leave it blank. Though we can set up a password if you're going to our PHP admin. So we can set our users, this one. You can set your password in here. But for now, we'll just leave it blank. And then let's create our database. So let's start. Let's say dbci. Oh, we have already dbci. So dbci. Click save. So now what we're going to do is to create a members list or members page. So let's try first. Let's create first our to create a table. So TBL members. Let's create new. So we have member ID, name. Let's take his first name, last name. Let's say address. Let's add two more. Yeah, page. Then set our number to 11. Then we'll make it auto increment. Then we'll make it as primary. First name is in bar. So archive and click save. So we've already created our table for members. So let's go now to our views. Then let's create our members page. So I just have to copy this one. So let's name it members.php. So once we have our views, we'll create also our controller. So new file, save as members.php. Then I'll just copy this one. What was that? No. So whatever the file name of your controller, just name it with your class. It's case sensitive. So members. So I have this one. Then in index file, so let's have to point it whatever the views. So since our views name is members, we'll have it also to change this one to members. Then let's check. So we have members. So we have now the members list. Now let's add some data. Let's do this one. So data members list. So we have an array of dollar result, which is a variable. It's name title. Then the value is members list. So basically, since we're loading the view here, so in order to carry over whatever the value in this one, so we have to put a comma in this, then point the dollar result. Then we'll go back to our views, members. Then we will have to display this one to title. Oh, let's forgot to echo. Yeah. So echo title this one, and the title itself. Save. So members list. Yeah. Members list. Let's check. So that's it. So now the first thing we should do is to have the basic display. So let's have the display, and let's have some data in here. basically archive is we're just using the 1 and 0. So each an identifier, which 0 is for this normal one, the 1 is archive, means it was deleted. So we will never delete a record, so since it's very important. So let's make it to 0. So now we'll have to display the record from our database to our views. So this is our view. Let's first build our table. So let's do that. So we will display the members first name. Last name. Address. Page. And lastly we have the options. So that's our head. So let's see. Table. This one. So we have our say style order. Yes. So in the table. Let's start this one. So in RT body we will display this one. But before that, we'll go back to our members controller. Oh no, let's create our model. So right click new file, let's say members model.php. So we'll just copy it here. So members, so again our models class, so whatever the file name of our model, so it's a case sensitive, so members model extends. So since we're on the model, I'll use CI model. And let's do this one. So now let's create a method for viewing members. So let's create a query. This tb get. So what's our table name for this? So we have tbl members. We'll go back to our controller, which is we'll just have to pass the data in here. So data. So this. Oh, before that, we have to first create our constructor. So we'll have to load first our database. Then the next one is our model. And what's the name of our model? The name of our model is members model. Members model. Then we have to set our alias for members. So that's it. So this set the alias. Then we will call the method view members. all the data coming from the database from the TBL members will be stored on our variable array result data. And now we'll have to call that one in here. So for data, so this data is coming from this variable data. So for example, we will have to name it, say test data. So we have to do here is also test data. For now, we will just state to data for the name convention also. As $s we can use this one, or we can so use like this one. This one. So it's the same. But I would love to use like this one. So it's more, I don't know, it's neat for me. Like with the blocks, with the open curly brace. Let's have the echo, res, name. So this name, I know first name. So whatever your field name in your TBL members, your column, first name, so it should be also the one to be called. So we can do that like this one. Since our field is first name. So let's see. Yeah, no, we have this one. So it's outside of our table. It's because we don't have yet the tr for table row, and we'll set td for our table data. Let's see. So we have now first name for elf. And let's just get rid of this one. Last name. Then we have address. Then we have age. That's it. So we have, so whatever the record that we have from our database, it will be displayed onto our members view or members list. Next one, so we have to give the action. So action, so we edit, and other one is group. So let's build this one.